The starting point is we wanted to see mathematics as inclusive for everyone. And so the curriculum's been written so that it allows everyone to get to do all of the mathematics until at least the end of Year 9. Another principle is to make the mathematics clear. Now, the reason that's important is teachers need to know what they're doing and to need to make active decisions. There are too many curriculums around the country that are just a whole lot of disconnected points. And this curriculum is succinct, it's clear, and it identifies the important parts of mathematics. Another thing is that there should be less in it. And the reason for that's important is because currently teachers race from one topic to another before the students have an opportunity to understand it. And this will help everyone learn mathematics better, but particularly with the best students, they can go in great depth to the topics they've done and really extend themselves in meaningful and significant ways and really do mathematics. Well, I guess the real challenge is actually turning that into a written document, turning those principles. Of course, everyone wants their favourite topics in. Everyone's concerned that, we don't want to look like it's being dumbed down. And so there's been a challenge. On one hand, everyone wants to include this in, but on the other hand, well, okay, what can we take out? How can we make it clearer? What are the important ideas? And I think the writers have done a good job in working towards that. Well, look, one of the key things we're emphasising in the curriculum is how mathematics is used. And of course, it's not possible to understand the world unless you're looking at it mathematically in some ways. So in terms of historical facts, in terms of timelines, in terms of social decision making, in terms of using data to explain situations, these are all mathematical acts. And the challenge is for teachers in schools to take the mathematical ideas in the maths curriculum and marry them up with the history, the English and the science curriculum as well. There's obviously great synergies between science and mathematics, and the writers have met to try and make the alignment as good as possible, and so hopefully teachers will see there are opportunities for them to build links between those two curriculum areas especially. Well, firstly, the descriptions there'll be less of them what they're used to. Like the curriculum for grade 3 will be described in a page, and that means that the teachers can see what they have to do, they can balance their curriculum up, they know where they're going, they know the important ideas. Now they've then got to take that and turn it into teaching programs and the things they're going to do in class, but that's what systems will support them with. That's what professional associations, all sorts of groups will help teachers with doing that. But teachers will progressively become better informed about what they're meant to be doing in teaching maths. Look, the real hope is that students will engage in doing mathematics in their maths classes. We've tried to describe the verbs, if you like, the actions that they'll do as understanding, fluency, problem solving and reasoning, and they're combined, integrated into the curriculum. Previously, in some curriculums they've been separated out. Now we see that it's central to doing maths, it's central to learning mathematics, and if teachers can use those verbs as a way of guiding the actions that students do in class, that'll actually change the nature of mathematics classrooms.